Subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily permanently erase all data from your phone. So for doing this you just need to install this app. Here you can see it, Dr. Phone. So you can also install it on Windows or for Mac. So just install it and connect your device to your computer, and after you do it you just need to click on it, click on erase, and just wait until it will open this option on your computer. So now here you can see that it connecting our device to our phone. So just follow now all the steps and it will successfully erase all the data from your phone. So just click on start and follow all the steps. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.